What is poppin'? Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today, I got an unboxing for y'all. Unboxing of movie and TV show shirts, and it's gonna be a vibe. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Make sure y'all do those 3 things I always bring up. I'm not gonna tell you what they are because you already know. And let's get right into it. I haven't done an unboxing on this table in forever. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna get right into it. Well, these ain't even barely cutting. Damn. Now, I got the Terminator shirt for obvious reasons. Not only is this a fire movie, the first Terminator is fire, Judgment Day is even better. I can't do it on the table because I feel like it is not picking up how good this shirt actually looks. Not only is it worn, front, bro, look at the back of this. Originally on the tag was 45 bucks, right? Now you know I ain't paid. You know I ain't paid 45 for this shirt now. Come on, bruh. I did my thing in the sales. So this shirt I paid like 20 something for, I think. 27, possibly. 28, something like that. Grabbing at random. Shirt number 2 is my one of, I'm not gonna say my all-time, it is top 3 for me of my all-time favorite shows, The Sopranos.
You got some balls, kid. I'll give you that much. You'll give me what I tell you to give.
You see, this one kind of looks a little vintage too around, you know, the neck area and the arms. I don't even remember really what this one was. We got Tony, Paulie, Chris. I'm not going to say his name, but you know him. A little snitch. But yeah, we got Tony's whole crew here. You know what I'm saying? This is a good quality shirt. I'm not going to lie. Moving on to our last shirt. This was actually the shirt that I went to buy, and I thought I can't really do an unboxing on one shirt, so I had to buy the other 2. The moment we all have been waiting for. My God, this shirt is hard, bruh. It is the same quality as the other 2 also, so I'm really happy with that. This one is super, super worn.
Victims, aren't we all?
Nothing on the back. Bruh, I love this graphic. That's it for the unboxing half of this video. But what would this video be if I didn't put outfits on for the shirts also? Just like I told y'all last time, do not rip your tags off. Make sure you guys cut them because, you know, you stretching out your shirts, putting holes in your shirts. Don't do that. We have the Crow tee with the baggy camo pants that I copped like 2 or 3 videos ago. Go check that out. It was putting an outfit together from Target. Go check that out. And I have on a pink hat to really like throw a little curveball into the outfit. Put on a pink hat to show y'all I'm not wearing a lick of pink, but the hat still goes with the outfit. I hate when people are like, well, this matches this and that matches my shoelace. Come on, bro. For our second outfit, we have the Terminator shirt with some regular old Dickies. Now, you know how I feel about Dickies. I had to throw them in with an outfit. Yeah, 26 Reddits, corduroy, pink hat again, just to show you guys you don't need to match every little stitch in your clothing to actually have a cool outfit. T800 on the back and a corduroy pink hat with a green brim on it. So we're vibing. Outfit number 2. For outfit number 3, we got the Sopranos tee with the Levi's, and I was torn between which hat to wear, the all black or the white and red, or well, really the cream and red. I think I might go with this one only because it throws in a little more color. Now, I know we didn't talk about shoes for the outfits, and that's only because I don't really like to wear shoes on my rug. I feel like boots would have went with every outfit, especially the first outfit, but if you ain't got boots, that's all right. Usually, I'm in my slides, which they look like Birkenstocks. They're not Birkenstocks, but I'm usually wearing these or Crocs. You know, I really go for comfortability over like anything else. I really hope you guys enjoyed. You got an unboxing with 3 outfits today. I got more unboxings coming for you guys, of course. Just stay tuned for that. So keep it 100 in the streets. Call me whatever you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. Peace.